Hey everyone, today we're taking a close at the Wuffy Robot Puppy, a viral AI powered smart puppy toy that's been popping up all over TikTok and YouTube. But is it real technology or another online scam? Let's find out. Online ads paint Woofy as a lifelike companion that walks, barks, learns, and interacts like a real pet for kids and adults alike. The marketing shows a cute scenes of the dog responding emotionally and connecting with families, but those videos aren't the real footage of the actual product. Independent customer reviews are overwhelmingly negative. On Trustpilot, the seller sites behind Woofy, including getwoofy.com, scores around 1.4 over 5 with 90% one-star ratings. The most buyers say that the toy they received was cheap, battery-operated figure that just yaps and moves a little. Nothing close to AI or real interactivity. Many people also report late or missing deliveries, misleading ads, poor quality, and difficulty getting refunds. So, is the Woofy Robot Puppy legit or scam in 2025? It is not an AI powered, smart robotic pet advertised, and most reports call it scams or misleading purchase. If you want a simple toy dog, cheaper quality alternatives exist. But don't buy Woofy for advanced features shown in ads. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.